Hello, I am Antoma, and on this channel, uh, I do post tech videos, hacking stories. I do bring a lot of hacking documentaries. I talk about everything that is tech, anything that is breaking in the tech field, everything, and all the hacks and how-to videos. And also, I bring in a lot of uh, small stuffs that talk about tech and everything like that. So please stick around as we are around on this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, because this tech channel is going to take you for technology, AI, software engineering. We've got all the artificial intelligence automation, like YouTube automation, and how to make money online, and everything that is tech, you know. Well, just stick around. See you as you see me throughout this channel. Thank you.